Example 4, we have to determine the direction of the magnetic force exerted on the following problems. Okay, so for positive charge, we will be using our Fleming left hand rule, negative charge, Fleming right hand rule. Okay, so the first question, we will be using our left hand rule. So our middle finger will be pointing to the right, and our pointing finger will be pointing down. So the force will be going into the page. So I'm just gonna draw into the page. How do I draw it to be into the page? Gitu boleh kah? I'm gonna draw it that way, but it is perpendicular to the magnetic field lah, so it is into the page. Question B, it is a negative charge, so we will be using Fleming right hand rule. So our middle finger will be pointing down, pointing finger will be pointing into the page, so our thumb would be, the force would be pointing to the left. Okay, question C, it is again a negative charge, so our velocity is going into the page, and our magnetic field is pointing upwards, so the direction of the force will be pointing to the left. Okay, question D pula, so it does not give us the direction of the magnetic field, however it does give us the direction of current, so we can find the direction of the magnetic field by using right hand grip rule. Okay, so from that we know that the direction of the magnetic field will be going into the page, so this is gonna be, our pointing finger would be pointing towards the surface and our velocity would be pointing down, hence giving us the force to be pointing to the left. Okay, I'm gonna use orange. No, I don't like it. Okay, so this is our force. And then our last question, do the same thing. We have to use right hand grip rule to determine the direction of the magnetic field. So from here we know that the right hand grip rule shows that the direction of the magnetic field is going into the page, hence let's use the Fleming left hand rule. So our middle finger will be pointing to the right and the magnetic field will be pointing towards the page, which gives us the magnetic force to be pointing upwards. Okay, alright, so all the red arrows that I've drawn is the direction of the magnetic force. Okay, so that's the solution for example number 4.